Leonardo AI is one of the powerful AI tools that can create beautiful images. However, creating consistent images can be challenging, especially if you don't know how to structure the prompts and make adjustments along the way. Today I will show you how to create consistent characters using Leonardo. Hi there, my name is Very Mahlasi. In today's video we are going to create consistent images. Okay, what's gonna happen now? Remember, with a Leonardo you get a 150 credit every day on a free version. So already I've used as some, so I'm only left with 70 credit. So you come here to image generation, click there on image generation, and then on this you can only use 2, you cannot use 4 on the old version of Leonardo. So you can just come here and then you change, if you want to change it to the new version of Leonardo, the Felix Leonardo. So it's only gonna allow you to have 4 images, to create 4 images at once. So move back to the old version. So it's going to allow me to get only 2 images at once. So this is the size that I'm going to use, and then I'm using a Leonardo base XL. So with this one, and then another thing is I've already created the prompt. Okay, so these are the images that I got. So I was busy checking if this is actually working. So you can see that the images, they look almost the same. The face look almost the same. The only thing that you need to change is to change the you're not allowed, don't change that. Adding a contrast striking mood on the girl laughing all out. This can be changed. You can change this, and then you say, let's check sleeping on the bed. Sleeping on the bed and reading a book while sleeping. Let's just check it there. Okay, so this is what we got. You can see that they are definitely the same. The image is the same. You can see that this is the same person. It will never be the same as the same, exactly the same, but you can see the features are almost the same. Okay, let's just change again. Let's change the sleeping on the bed. Let's just say okay, let's just check it there. All right, you see, almost the same. So with a Leonardo, I believe that you can also create consistent images using the very same prompt, and then you just change the action only. You don't change the other weights, you don't change them, like you don't change the shape of the character, you don't change the color skin, you don't change the clothes. I don't know, maybe with clothes we can change it. Let's just check if we change the let's change the the clothes. She is wearing a purple overall. Let's change this. She is wearing a yellow dress and playing in the garden. Playing in the garden with a butterfly. You can see chasing a butterfly. Okay, let's just check it out. So you can change the clothes, you can change the action of the character, but you cannot change the color skin of the character. You cannot change the hair. Then obviously it won't look the same if you change the other character. I mean the other keywords. So this is how it turned out. So it's very nice. Then you can change. Let's just check if we can change. Yes, you can see that it's still the same person, just different clothes and this different action. So which means you can do everything that you need to do in order to get different images of the same facial same as facial features. So the only thing that you just don't need to do, like I said, is changing the other keywords of the shape of the shape of the character, and then the hair, and then the skin color. So if you change that, then the image will want it won't look consistent, because the main thing is to have consistent images. So I also checked on Canva, checked other images on Magic Media, so with the same prompt, and then this is what I actually got. This is the same prompt that I used on Leonardo. So this is the image that I actually received, they actually created. They're also consistent when you can check the facial shape is the same. The facial shape is the same. You can see they're also nice, but the hair was totally different. So you can also get consistent images using Magic Media. Okay, and then we also checked on Bing. So these are the consistent characters from Bing. So on this one, I've changed the hairstyle of the character. As you can see, the face is almost the same. To change, it's like, oh, you only need to change the keywords related to the action or emotions of the character, not the keywords related to the color and the shape of the character. So make sure that you change other things than the color and the shape of the character. You can change the clothes, you can change the action of the character. You see here the character is laughing all loud. Even on this one is laughing, but the difference is the color, the clothes color. And then on this one, the difference is the action of the character. Also, this one is also the difference is the hairstyle. The action is the same. Look at this one, she has 3 legs there, and it was such a beautiful image. But the problem is with this. But you can try to remove this on a Canva Magic Studio. You can try to just remove this layer.